Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select public transport on the Maps.me application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. You go to the right bar and click the first option, the more, and here you can find the settings option. And in the map and navigation section you can find the first button, the public transport, and here you can display the bus, the subway, the trolleybus, the minibus or the tram. And if you want to turn off to show that, just click the next blue icon, and if it will be turned green, you don't see that on the map. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.